In order to comply with the Irish law, you will need to fill in a form on the HSE website. See the link on the top right corner. It will take about 5 minutes to complete and then you are all set. We also have a step-by-step walkthrough document that you can download from our website www.homemady.com. Alternatively, you can follow the steps as we quickly walk through them now. Once you are in the HSE website, click on Register on the top right corner. Fill in the form and clicks Register. It is not necessary to have a company to sell your food online, so unless you already have a company you can simply sign up to HSE as an individual seller and leave company name blank. After filling the fields, click the Register blue button on the bottom of the form. Do not worry if you see a blank screen at this point, just go check your email inbox and click on Activation link HSE sent you, which should automatically log you in, then click Submit Notification on the sidebar menu on the left. Now simply fill in the Step 1 details. Select a sole trader to register as an individual online food seller. As for the website, you can put our website www.homemady.com. Click Next. Fill in Step 3 form. Add your food shop socials if you have any. Double check your details are correct in Step 4. Accept the HSE terms and click Finish. You are all done. Easy, wasn't it? Within a couple of weeks you will receive a letter in the post from HSE like this one. Once you got it, you can start selling your products on HomeMady. Please send us a screenshot or picture of such letter at our email support@homemady.com, or you can upload it directly in our app by tapping Upload HSE notification.